Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 20 till the 26th of January. The rules can be reversed also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course, link is in description box. Uh, Want to have personal readings or healing sessions? You can check out the description box and book your slots. For self-love ebook and Ho'oponopono masterclass, best self-healing modality of the whole universe, check out the description box and you can purchase them. For any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasani@gmail.com. Let's see, Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what's happening. We have the Chariot. So someone here is very determined to do something about the situation between you and them. Chariot is the card of being very determined, okay, seeing all the pros and cons and everything, but still feeling to do something and not stopping. Let's clarify the Chariot here. Let's see. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the Emperor. This is someone who is feeling they have decided. They have decided something, and no power on earth or beyond earth can stop them from achieving their independence in some way. So this is someone who feels like they should remain independent, they should remain in themselves, and they should work on themselves. They should take a stand for themselves, and their stand is telling them no matter what happens, they should just do whatever they feel is right for them. Right now this person is super focused on themselves, hyper focused, you can say, and they feel like no one and nothing can stop them. This person right now is not very much focused on this relationship or this connection. They are very much focused on their individual growth and success and energies, and they feel like they should protect it at any cost. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Ten of Cups. See, you feel like having a family kind of a dynamic. If you guys were married or committed to each other at some point of time, you feel like creating a space, or giving this another shot maybe. But you definitely feel like having a family kind of a dynamic, where the happily ever after kind of a dynamic with somebody. Let's clarify the Ten of Cups here. We have the Three of Swords and the Five of Swords and the Three of Pentacles. See, even if you're hurt beyond words in your love and relationship area, you still are hopeful that you are going to connect with somebody who is going to give you the happily ever after kind of a deal that you always wanted to have. For some of you, there's a third party kind of a like issue between you guys. Even if that is happening, your mind is continuously telling you everything is going to be fine, everything is going to be fine. For some of you, you might be in some kind of illusion or delusion here that you know is not true, but you still feel that you should think that it's true. Don't do that, honey. It's kind of harmful for you only on an emotional level. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Just give me a second. So what they want from you is the King of Pentacles. It came like I had to stop the video for some reason. Cool. So this person wants something stable on the table, a mature, a grounded kind of energy, a stable kind of energy. Let's clarify these cards. I don't know why I'm so excited to clarify this. Let's do this anyways. It's like they're feeling they should not lose their independence for anything or anyone, and when their intention is to create some kind of solid base, stable and mature and grounded kind of energy for themselves. Let's see. We have the Star card, the Nine of Wands, and the Tower. So according to them, you are the one to blame here. They want to heal from whatever you did with them and create a solid base and stable base for their own individual life, where they have a lot of money, where they have a lot of honey, lot of groundedness and stability. So whatever is happening or whatever happened between you guys, this person is still taking you as the one who is to blame here, and they want to just be with themselves and heal themselves properly and create a stable base for their individual growth and success. This is what they want. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? We have the page of swords. So from your side, you just want to keep yourself at a distance and watch everything and everyone from a distance. Right now, you're not in this energy of going towards something or someone, or going behind something or someone. You just want distance and you want to watch everything and everyone from a distance. Let's clarify the page of swords here. We have the Queen of Swords, the Justice, and the King of Cups. So you want to be very, very clear. You want to be very, very clear in your heart, your soul, your mind, your everything about what you want in your love and relationship area. And for that, you want to research a little bit more, because ouch, I don't know why I became like so seducing in between. Oh, sorry. Clean it, clean it, clean it. God, God. So you want to learn more about yourself regarding your love and relationship area, what you actually deserve, what you actually want, and how it should be, and how it should feel, how it should look, everything about it. Basically, you want to learn the art of manifestation, where you want to understand what you actually want and how to manifest it in your reality. Okay, let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 26th of January. We have the Seven of Swords, something coming out to light. Something is going to be revealed to you. Now let's see what that is. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords here. We have the Empress, the Lovers, the Six of Cups. Something regarding a past relationship, past lover is going to be revealed to you. Maybe that they are already with somebody else and they are having their like good life and everything, but you are going to feel that you still love them, you still miss them, and still you still care for them. That is going to be revealed to you maybe, and or something related to some kind of growth and expansion between your person and something else or someone else. It's like some kind of truth regarding a past relationship or past person is going to be revealed to you, that is actually going to help you grow in some way. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this means. This is a very simple, plain message that something is going to be revealed to you regarding a past person or past relationship. Maybe you are going to understand a pattern, understand an energy, and understand an ongoing process, and you're going to break the chain, you're going to do something about it, or you're going to understand why your relationships are failing or falling apart because of a past person or past relationship. Something related to your past is going to come towards you with truth, with some kind of revelation, and it's going to help you to grow in some way. That is what is coming forward towards you. The guidance here is keep an open heart for healing. In order to heal yourself properly and move to the next chapter of your life with peace, you have to be vulnerable in front of at least yourself. You have to accept your flaws, accept your positivity and negativity and everything. Then only you will be able to heal properly. Okay, acceptance is the key here, and giving yourself the love and care that you are expecting others to give you is the key here. Hmm. That's how you heal. Something is going to be revealed to you. How you are going to take it, how you are going to react to it, how you are going to accept it is the key to to understand what you should do and what you should not do. But being a loving and compassionate kind of energy, even if you are going to realize that you made a huge mistake or you were the one to blame or something like that, just be in the acceptance and compassionate and loving kind of energy. Yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste, honey.